Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I don't even know how to start today's video. Basically, I mean, I hope you're not watching this, but I was on Tinder and this dude says, "Oh my god, you look like Sonam Kapoor, I want to date you." And my single ass was like, "Oh, I see." So today's video is I'm gonna follow Sonam Kapoor's Vogue beauty tutorial and try and look like her. And if you want, hit me up. No, I'm joking. Don't do any such thing. Don't hit me up. Just stay away from me. I just thought that I would transform myself into Sonam Kapoor since that's the only way guys that want to date me. So, where do I start? So growing up, I've actually been told quite a few times by different people that I look like Sonam Kapoor, which honestly, I don't see it. I really don't. Maybe with makeup or a certain makeup look. I don't know. I really don't see it at all. So I just thought, you know, this is a little bit fitting. And I've been wanting to follow some makeup tutorial, you know, like the trend that goes on YouTube. So I just thought that this would be a perfect one. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have my laptop.
Hi, I'm Sonam. Today I'm doing the easiest thing that I can do to look
Okay,
glamorous.
First of all, can I just say how gorgeous she looks without makeup? And I love how Vogue has finally put someone Indian and just someone that looks like me. Well, not actually, but you know, same color and same features, and on a Vogue video with no makeup. It just makes me feel really happy. I remember when I watched this video when it came out, the first thing I told my friends was, I am so in awe that she literally just confidently went on camera with no makeup and shows the dark circles, the hyperpigmentation that we experience. Usually brown girls have on their eyelid. My eyelids are pretty dark, under eye circles are not that great. So these are things that we have to deal with, and the fact that she's just so openly like, "Hey, I'm Sonam Kapoor, this is how I look like without any makeup." And I really respect that and admire that.
Typical 90s Bollywood style makeup, which is called, it's like this smudgy brown.
Am I supposed to do my hair like that? Can I not do my hair like that? I look like a boy, forget it.
The eyes and the scarf inside the eyes. It was made super famous by this makeup artist called Tik Tok. Looks like a typical Indian Bollywood actress. Okay, so let's do vitamin C. So I just take it and pat it on my skin.
Okay, so I don't have vitamin C serum, but I do have this, which is actually from Body Shop. I will be doing a review of these products soon, either on my IGTV or my YouTube channel, so just stay tuned. If it's already up, I will link that in the description below if you want to watch this. But the serum I'm going to use is the Body Shop Troops of Youth Concentrate. So she just goes and slaps her face with it. So.
And do it on my neck, because it's really important. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little bit of moisturizer.
Okay, wait. Okay, let's do the serum first. So, and I realized she goes up on her neck, which is actually a really good skincare tip, which I don't follow. But since Sonam Kapoor told me to do it, I am going to do it too. Goes in with moisturizer.
This is another one of my doctors, Dr. Lancer, who is in LA. It's great. And it's this method moisturizer that I use. I also put it under my eyes, because this is under your eyes as well.
So I didn't know you can use moisturizer under your eyes. I thought you're supposed to avoid the eye area. Let's see. Whatever. The Drops of Youth moisturizer. That's also another product I'll be reviewing. Link in description if it's out. If not, stay tuned. So she said do it under her eyes, but honestly I'm a little bit scared, but I'll just do a little bit. Okay.
Using a little bit of sunblock, which is really important.
Ooh, okay.
I mix my sunblock with Dr. Strong's anti-pollution drops. Especially
Sunscreen. So the sunblock I'm using is the La Roche-Posay I don't know what it's called, but this sunblock is really good. And I've been using it for years now. So I'm just gonna apply this as Sonam did. Like, even if we're not leaving the house, I think we should still wear sunblock because, you know, you're getting exposed to the sun through your windows and etc. etc.
On the forehead, I like to put on my nose. I have like a lot of like age spots, like brown spots on my face because I do a
have red
lot of
spots
films without makeup because I do those kind of films. Again, on my neck, I use coconut oil on my lips. It's this like really cool Indian brand called Forest Essentials, and I use them on my lips. And sometimes I use them on my eyebrows, on my eyelids, and I like it. I have horrible dark circles and lots of like brown spots around my face.
Me too, sis.
So
Me too.
I have this corrector that I like to use, which is an orange corrector. I don't find many products for like Indian girls or like girls who are my color because we have like a very, I think, special tone. We have a lot of pigmentation. We have pink and yellow in our skin tone. I honestly haven't found a foundation or anything that I can actually completely use. So, a lot of correction that needs to be done on my face.
Okay, so she's using a color corrector. I think I'm just gonna go in with my concealer. And thank God some celebrity has finally said that, you know, Indian girls, we have a special skin tone. And it just sucks that we can't find our right shade. And hopefully the beauty industry will do something about it. And sooner or later we'll be able to match our foundation to our actual skin color without actually having to make 3 different foundations into one. Concealer I'm going to use is my handy Tarte Shape Tape in 36S Medium Tan Sand. So she did it under her eyes, a little bit here, and on her dark spots. So I'm just going to go under my eyes. She put quite a lot. Actually, usually with the Tarte Shape Tape, I try not to do too much because it's really thick. But we're Sonam Kapoor for the day. Oh, she put it on her smile lines as well. Also, if you see a little bit of red around my mouth, it is because my mother helped me wax because we're in quarantine and we all have quarantine brows right now. But you know what? I'm embracing it, okay? Use a beauty blender to blend everything in, so that is what I'm gonna do. So she covers up most of her brown spots, but actually on my skin I have red spots and they were acne scars, and I don't think she's using foundation, I don't know. So for now I think I'm gonna just put a little bit coverage on the spots and blend that in with my beauty blender.
I don't really have bad skin because I drink a lot of water. I avoid sugar as much as I can.
Can't relate.
I mean, after a certain age, I completely stopped drinking alcohol. And,
Can't relate.
Yeah, so I think I'm pretty.
Okay, so she's putting on foundation over the concealer, which that is something I've never done. But we're gonna try it, and she doesn't use a lot. She's using something that was mixed specifically for her color. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade in the shade 300, the Pro Filter. And she kind of just goes in with it, but not a lot. So I'm just gonna put a bit on my beauty blender. Okay, that's not exactly a bit, but it's fine. And also she said she applies it under her eyes, which I'm a little bit confused, but okay.
And then you just see what you think works for you when you're doing your own makeup. Kind of just push it into my eye, under my eyes.
Okay, so for powder, I don't have that powder, but I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty baking powder in banana bread, and I'm gonna use a brush like she did and dab that into my eyes.
I have lines everywhere. And then I just take it, put it near my nose and near here. A lot of people don't use color, and I think color just brightens your skin up, you know, when you get.
She's so cute. So she's using a brown eyeliner to do her eyeliner. Okay, I have a brown eyeliner. She used a brown eye pencil / eyeliner to do that smudgy look. So also, have you realized that she has not done her brows yet? Maybe she doesn't need to, but I have quarantine brows, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh fuck. I don't like eye pencils because I find them very hard to use. I don't know whether I'm gonna be in frame, but I need to just look in the mirror. Is this purple? I think it's purple, but you know what? We're just gonna work with it.
Which is from Benefit, which is really nice and light and brown and dark.
Okay.
The dark.
So she's using her Benefit Hoola Bronzer to smudge this out. So I have that actually.
Big eyes and beautiful eyebrows, and we always try to accentuate that. Carving inside the eyes. Now it's a little freaky the way I do it, so don't judge me. And then I
Oh!
it out.
I'm using the Smoky Eyes Intense Kohl in black from Chambord, and I'm just gonna line my eyes with kajal. What I'm gonna do is she drags it, she doesn't just do it on her waterline, she actually drags it under, so I'm gonna do that as well.
Givenchy thing. You can't see it, but there's like shine on it, and I love it. I love using brushes. I used to paint when I was younger.
Oh,
So
can't relate again.
I feel like I'm painting my face.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bit of this highlighter, just a little bit, and dab that on my lid as well.
You know, when I'm about to go on a shoot, just sitting in front of the mirror and getting my makeup done or doing my makeup myself, it's just like, it just prepares me. I started working when I was 17. It looks very fake, but it doesn't come
I'm just
across
using that
much.
same blush.
I like color because I have a very small face and a narrow face. So you know how people
Me
try
too.
to contour their face a lot. I try to make my face a little fresher and brighter.
Ah, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do that too.
I'm sure all the makeup artists who see me do this are going to be like, hey, what is Sonam doing? But I like to do this. It's fun. See, just to bring back the shape in your face. And then I take the same brush that I do my eyeshadow with and just kind of do a little bit.
Taking the same bronzer that she didn't do on her temples, she only did on her cheekbones, which is not something I usually do, and just taking it into the crease. Sonam, actually, I'm actually loving this makeup look and how it's going.
My highlighter. Now, I use this palette, which is like 3 different shades, but I only end up using the one which is in the middle. Okay, then I put a little bit on my brow bone, a little bit here. That's it. I don't want to do more than that.
I actually don't use an eyelash curler because that contraption scares the shit out of me, and I don't own one, so I'm not gonna be using that. That's for it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Better Than Sex mascara, and she kind of just like doesn't have any technique of doing it, so I'm just gonna follow her.
This is something that
My camera is going to die because I am a stupid bitch. So she's doing a red lip. I don't really have I mean, I have a red lip liner, but it's not sharp. So I'm just gonna go in with this. It is the Melted Matte Too Faced in Lady Balls, I believe. Can't remember, but anyway. So I'm just gonna go in and do my red lip.
little bit of since I'm married,
Wait, what?
it's like a sindoor liquid thing. It's only for married women. It's like to show that you're married. There are 16
Wait,
things that you do when you're married, which is kajal.
am I supposed to do sindoor as well? I think my mother will kill me, but I think I'm gonna skip that part because sis is not married, so we're gonna. So she's just drawing a bindi. I have jhumkas. These actually I got it from Jaipur, so they're very, very gorgeous, and I hardly wear them, so this is a good time to wear them. Oh wait, I should get the same thumbnail as her. What did she do? Okay, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. So this is the finished look. Should I just put my hair in a bun for the sake of it? I do not recognize myself, but to the Tinder dude who wanted to date me because I look like Sonam Kapoor. Yeah, I feel like actually I would do this with like an Indian look, obviously not the weekend t-shirt, but I was too lazy to change into something. So this is it. This is the final look. Let me know what you think of it. I think I don't recognize myself at all, and if I go out there and show my mother and father, they would think I'm mad. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually really enjoyed doing this because the whole foundation over the concealer thing really seemed to work. Like, my skin looks really, really good. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!